Can laundry doors be custom made? In addition to offering a large collection of standard sized doors, we also offer a range of custom sized external and internal doors up to 2400 by 1200 millimeters. All of our timber products can be trimmed up to 20 millimeters off each edge, which gives a good amount of scope to adjust our standard doors to fit your existing doorways. You may also like to consider our hinge doors, which are measured, made and installed to suit openings up to 2700 millimeters high and 1000 millimeters wide. The Bonavista panel is double glazed and comes in a range of designs with either obscure or clear glass. The slimline aluminium frame is available in 4 different finish options and is suitable for wet areas such as laundries. If the framework is integrated and you also need to replace your window, the Bonavista aluminium door and sash window combo is a harmony of style and performance.